Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see the third part of the previous year question paper, Electrical Overseer, Kerala Port Department, held on 2014. Then let me go through the questions. Question number 51. The rotor of the salient pole alternator has 24 poles. The number of cycles of EMF in one revolution would be option A 24, option B 12, option C 6, option D 4. Answer is option B 12. Question number 52. The synchronous motors are not self-starting because option A, stator is not used. Option B, starting winding is not provided. Option C, the direction of instantaneous torque on the rotor reverses after half cycle. Option D, there is no slip. Answer is option C, the direction of instantaneous torque on the rotor reverses after half cycle. Question number 53. 1 Tesla is the same as 1. Option A, Weber per meter. Option B, Weber per meter square. Option C, Farad per meter. Option D, Henry per meter square. Answer is option B, Weber per meter square. Question number 54. Load shading is done. Option A, to reduce heat demand. Option B, to improve power factor. Option C, to run the equipment efficiency. Option D, to repair the machine. Answer is option A, to reduce heat demand. Question number 55. Circular coil sections are used because they option A, reduce iron material. Option B, reduce copper material. Option C, have the strongest mechanical shape. Option D, all of these. Answer is option C, have the strongest mechanical shape. Question number 56. Transient disturbances are due to option A, switching operations. Option B, load variations. Option C, faults. Option D, any of the above. Answer is option D, any of the above. Question number 57. The core flux in a transformer depends mainly on option A, supply voltage. Option B, supply voltage and frequency. Option C, supply voltage, frequency and load. Option D, supply voltage and load independent of frequency. Answer is option B, supply voltage and frequency. Question number 58. Ohm's law, E equals IR. Option A, can never be applied to AC. Option B, can be applied to AC in the same manner as to DC. Option C, can be applied to AC but after replacing R by Z. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, can be applied to AC but after replacing R by Z, that is resistance by impedance. Question number 59. Luminous flux is option A, rate of energy radiation in the form of light waves. Option B, light energy radiated by sun. Option C, part of light energy radiated by sun which is received on earth? Option B, none of the above. Answer is option A, rate of energy radiation in the form of light waves. Question number 60. In a transformer, the voltage regulation will be 0 when it is operated at option A, unity power factor, option B, leading power factor, option C, lagging power factor, option D, zero power factor leading. Answer is option B, leading power factor. Question number 61. The fundamental voltage equation of motor is expressed by option A, EB equals V plus IARA, option B, V equals EB plus IARA, option C, V equals EBIA plus RA, option D, none of these. Answer is option B, V equals EB plus IARA. Question number 62. The dead time of the instrument is option A, the time required by an instrument for initial warming up, option B, the time required by an instrument to begin to respond to a change in the measurement, option C, the largest change of input quantity for which there is no output of the instrument, option D, none of the above. Answer is option B, the time required by an instrument to begin to respond to a change in the measurement. Question number 63. Which motor has the highest power to weight ratio? Option A, universal motor, option B, induction motor, option C, synchronous motor, option D, capacitor motor. Answer is option A, universal motor. Question number 64. Resistance is to conductance. Option A, Faraday's law is to mutual inductance. Option B, power is to voltage into current. Option C, Tesla is to permeance. Option D, reluctance is to permeance. Answer is option D, reluctance is to permeance. Question number 65. A lag network for compensation normally consists of option A, R only, that is resistance only, option B, resistance and capacitor elements, option C, resistance and inductance elements, option D, resistance, inductance and capacitance element. Answer is option B, resistance and capacitance elements. Question number 66. Which type of wattmeter cannot be used for DC? Option A, electrostatic type, option B, dynamometer type, option C, induction type, option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, induction type. Question number 67. Transformer core laminations are made of option A, silicon steel, option B, wrought iron, option C, cast iron, option D, cast steel. Answer is option A, silicon steel. Question number 68. Screwing of rotor slots helps in option A, improving heat transfer, option B, reducing noise, option C, suppressing undesirable harmonics. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option C, suppressing undesirable harmonics. Question number 69. The color of sodium lamp is option A, blue, option B, yellow, option C, red, option D, white. Answer is option B, yellow. Question number 70. Electric potential is A. Option A, scalar quantity. Option B, vector quantity. Option C, dimensionless. Option D, nothing can be said. Answer is option A, scalar quantity. Question number 71. Fleming's left-hand rule is applicable to option A, transformer. Option B, DC generator. Option C, alternator. Option D, DC motor. Answer is option D, DC motor. Question number 72. Application of Norton's theorem to a circuit yields. Option A, equivalent current source. Option B, equivalent current source and impedance in series. Option C, equivalent impedance. Option D, equivalent current source and impedance in parallel. Answer is option D, equivalent current source and impedance in parallel. Question number 73. As the voltage of transmission increases, the volume of conductor. Option A, increases. Option B, does not change. Option C, decreases. Option D, increases proportionately. Answer is option C, decreases. Question number 74. A material commonly used for shielding or screening magnetism is option A, brass. Option B, copper. Option C, soft iron. Option D, aluminium. Answer is option C, soft iron. Question number 75. Which of the following devices cannot convey from DC to AC? Option A, mercury arc rectifier. Option B, motor converter. Option C, motor generator. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option A, mercury arc rectifier.